Fuck these niggas cause they always being extra. All these diamonds on me, I don't feel no pressure. Money coming in like I am an investor.
Warning, some of the following images are graphic in nature and might be disturbing to some viewers.
What's up, Smooth crew? We back with another video. I'm here with my boy Trey again.
I'm Trey, and we're reacting to animals getting hit by cars. So if you one of them people who don't like to see animals getting hurt, maybe this is something you should never click on.
This was just something random that we thought of. It came out of nowhere. We thought it would be funny to react to. So we're gonna see some deers and other animals get hit by cars.
Sadly,
we're going to get hit by cars. I'm gonna put a disclaimer right here. Yeah, I'm gonna put a disclaimer. Alright. That's a big ass round.
oh God.
Oh
Man.
my God.
Like, why would you not pull off like after the first hit? Like, I would have been out there.
Oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God. Holy
That went flying. Oh my God. What the fuck?
Is that a hippo?
Yeah, it's
It's gonna be in the water, don't it?
Damn!
Shit! Shit!
Like, you make it sound like you got hit, the car got hit. At a mountain lion.
It's a bird, dude. Ain't no mountain lions black.
I mean, it was dark.
Hey, I would've kept going.
I was like, oh, he pulling over. Why did they pull over?
It's an animal.
Keep going.
Alright.
The sound that it made.
Oh man, they just tag team that. I think it's sent like some quarters or something to the hill.
Oh my God! Damn, they just tag team them. Oh my God. He come right, he coming fast. They don't know you gonna hit something.
Sweep something.
And no moped. Oh my God.
Dang.
Might just open the door, didn't he?
Man just opened to a Chinese restaurant. Hey, he got him juking though. Man, they like the horse spit on the windshield. The windshield won't wet till they hit that man. They knocked some booty fur off there. They tried to dodge him though.
Yeah, it's mongoose.
Mongoose. That's like a moose.
I keep saying mongoose. I mean moose food. It's a moose. Where did the wood come from?
Some toenails off the man.
Where did the wood come from? Look.
He ran to that. He ran to that joint. He's a man, you know, I'm just gonna turn back around.
I'd be so scared.
What, they migrating or something?
I guess so.
I might hit a goat.
That mine slid 10 feet away from the
Oh
car.
my God. Why would he say, you know, I'm just gonna turn back around?
Mine went the opposite direction. You look like somewhere in Memphis.
Damn, man. Like a flying squirrel.
Okay.
Yes.
We can go home and slips on you.
Oh my God!
What type of music is he listening to?
That's why he hit it.
I just hit the shit out of a
Keep
fucking
going.
camera.
You need to pull up. There you go.
Oh my God.
For what? What is you pulling over? Alright, that was a good, funny video. That was funny.
I think it's sick that we find this amusing.
I don't know. Something wrong with this. I gotta get checked out. But anyways, Smooth Crew, I'm gonna be coming out with some more videos. I'm sorry, because I've been slacking lately. But I'm going to get back on the grind, you feel me? Alright, we out this joint. Whole lot of gang shit.